up, lovelies? Ignore this bonnet on my hair. So my husband got this new TV, Samsung TV, whatever it is, and I wanted to do an unboxing video with you guys. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys what is. This is what it says. I believe it's a TV, but it says the frame. Yeah, 43 inches. Yeah. It's right here. I'll take you guys along whilst he takes it out of the box and set it up and everything. So here it is, guys. It's out of the box. It's, I don't know. The back is flat. I don't know if you guys can see.
Oh, that's where you open it from.
Or Daddy.
Yeah, I don't want to use them.
Or Daddy.
I was going.
I don't like our band anymore. I hate my room. When I go to the we're not gonna have ours. There will only be like 3 places no, Mommy and Daddy won't be there. No, they could come visit us. To go downstairs. Oh.
I wish it was an Apple device.
And that's the remote that came in there. All right, guys, that is the finished look. That's the TV frame on the wall, and it looks like it's a painting. So that's what it's for. It display paintings on the screen, and my husband bought the border around it and put it on, so it looks just like painting. We're missing one painting here, which we will get when outside open and we're able to go to the stores. So you can watch TV on there at the same time. When you're not watching TV, it displays painting and it rotates. So this will change and the next one will come on, and so forth and so on. Like, it's so beautiful. It looks just like painting. And the border was ordered on Amazon. That's how it's looking. Yep. I will try and show you guys another painting that it shows on here. We had it sitting on this, but then we decided to mount it. Trying to see, show you guys another. So like this one, see, so it displays it, and then if you want, it rotates, but then if I leave it on, come on. There we go. See? But then again, you can watch TV on here as well. It's beautiful. It has all these paintings that you can sorry guys, that it displays us. And yes, you're okay. Go give it to brother. And then you can also watch TV on here. So that is it, guys. It's a TV. It's called The Frame. It's a TV art collection display thing. And that's it. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe and share my channel with your families and friends. Thank you. Bye.